Hello, we're Ichinen USA, and we're a manufacturer of high-quality fork arms and fork arm accessories. One of those accessories is the pin kit, which plays a big role in forklift safety by ensuring that the fork arm is securely attached to the forklift carriage. Sometimes these pins can fail or wear out and need replacement. Today, we'll be showing you how to replace a broken pin. Make sure you have a replacement pin kit and a hammer on hand. It's important to ensure you select a pin kit that's the correct class for your fork arm. In this video, we're using our Class 2 pin kit. Some kits may look different depending on where you buy them from, but whether the pin is metal or plastic, the process to replace them is the same. To begin, you'll want to remove the fork arm from the forklift. We suggest that you add a little grease along the brace of the forklift so that removing the fork arm goes a bit easier. Any grease will do, including Vaseline, oil, or any lubricant. First, you'll flick the lever of the kit into the unlocked position. This will make the lever stand straight up. Afterwards, you'll need to slide the fork to the center of the brace where you can see a notch at the bottom. Center the fork arm into the notch, then pull up slightly on the fork arm until the bottom hook dislodges from the rack. Move that fork arm back and do the same to the second one. After that, you'll get into the forklift and gently lower the fork arms to the ground until they come free from the rack and rest on the floor. We recommend that you make some room in between the fork arm and the forklift, as the rest is much easier from the back of the fork arm. Next, making sure the level is still upright, pull on the pin with pliers until it comes loose. You'll know it's loose when the spring and stop pin falls to the ground. Now you'll take your new pin kit and select the stop pin and spring from it. With the larger part at the bottom, slide the spring over the top of the pin. Prep both fork arms the same way. Then take the pin and spring combo and push it into the bottom part of the hole with the slit in the pin sitting horizontally. While holding the stop pin in place the lever into the slit and line up the holes. Slide in the smaller roll pin in that hole until it clicks lightly into place. Use a hammer to affix the roll pin fully into the hole. To put the fork arms back on the forklift, you'll reverse the order to take it off. Very slowly nudge the rack on the forklift under the top hook on the fork arm. Then lift them off the ground so they're easier to move. Then slide one by one into the center of the brace until the bottom hook slips into the notch on the bottom. Finally, slide the fork arms into the desired width apart and push the lever on the top of the fork arm to affix the fork in place. If you jostle it a little after locking it, you'll hear a click as the arm settles into the correct spot, and you're all ready to use it again. And that's it! Thank you for joining us today as we learned how to replace a forklift pin kit. Should you have any questions or need further assistance in choosing the right pin kit for your forklift, do not hesitate to reach out. Ichinen USA is here for all of your material handling needs.